Welcome back! Today we're going to learn good habits.
Here are some things we do every day to stay healthy and happy. Are you ready?
And don't forget to subscribe so we can learn together every week. Let's go!
Brush your teeth. Up and down, clean, healthy teeth. Can you brush your teeth too? Rub, 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 rub with soap. Clean hands keep us healthy. Can you wash your hands too? Eat healthy food. Yummy fruits and vegetables. They make us strong. Can you eat healthy food too? Drink water. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Water keeps us healthy. Can you drink water too? Being kind and polite. It makes everyone smile. Can you say thank you too? Clean up your toys. Put them all away. A tidy room is a happy room. Can you clean up your toys too?
Get enough sleep. Time to rest and dream. Sleep helps us grow strong. Can you go to sleep on time too?
Brush your teeth and wash your hands. Eat healthy food, it's part of the plan. Drink your water, say thank you too. Drink your water, say thank you too. Clean up your toys, that's what to do. Good habits, every— Wow! You learned so many good habits today. Great job, friends! Ask Mommy or Daddy to click that subscribe button and the bell so we can learn together again soon. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.